Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing in and confirming access so the site tailors responses to your account. Once signed in, make sure permissions for mic and camera are granted. This enables voice prompts and image inputs. If you use a work or school account, verify admin settings to allow third-party AI tools. Also confirm your browser is updated and cookies are enabled because Gemini relies on session data. Now that access and connectivity are set, proceed to open a new chat or prompt box and prepare your first query. Next, you will craft prompts that get predictable output. Start with a concise instruction, add context and a desired format, and include examples when you need structure. Use the mode selector to switch to images or notebooks. Select a larger model for complex reasoning and a lighter model for quick replies. When running code or long answers, pin or export results and toggle citations if you need sources. If results are off, refine constraints. Provide one more example and rerun immediately. To finish, refine outputs by requesting edits, summaries, or alternative tones until the result matches your intent. Once satisfied, export the content to PDF, copy to Google Docs, or save the prompt as a template for future runs. Make sure to review any factual claims and add citations if required. If something breaks, first clear browser cache and reload. If issues persist, check account usage limits, try another model, or toggle permissions. These steps resolve most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.